Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the DataON session. The title of this presentation is Journey to the Hybrid Cloud with Azure Stack HCI, Making the Microsoft Choice. My name is Howard Lowe. I am the Vice President of Sales and Marketing at DataON. We're very excited to be presenting at the MVPDays, and we hope we can share our experience and our journey for the last 5 years as we've been taking our customer to the hybrid cloud with the Microsoft solutions. In the agenda, we hope to share with you some of the choices we made with our customer to deliver the solution, an overview of our company, the infrastructure foundation of DataON architecture, and lastly, how we can partner together to be on this journey together. To start, DataON really have made the Microsoft choice in the beginning of launch of Windows Server 2012, when Microsoft released first version of storage spaces. And subsequently, in 2016 and 19, we continue on the journey with Microsoft and really help our customer to be on the forefront of software-defined storage and hyper-converged infrastructure with Azure Stack HCI. It's not just DataON who have made the Microsoft choice, but technology partner and ecosystem also have accelerated the adoption of Azure Stack HCI. Intel, Mellanox, Western Digital are all companies that have their technology certified with the stack, as a result, accelerating the adoption and the trust that customers have on choosing the Azure Stack HCI solution from DataON. Similarly, analysts, press, channel are really starting to take notice of Microsoft and their ability to deliver a solution that is ready for enterprise deployment. Recently, Microsoft received the Storage Review Award as the Editor's Choice Award. This is an exciting award from Microsoft as a recognition that Azure Stack HCI is real and many customers are using it and choosing it as their primary storage and virtualization layer for their production workload. And at the same time, DataON is proud to be the architectural choice as part of the review. But more importantly, is the customer that is really driving the adoption of Azure Stack HCI. Based on Microsoft, there's over 30,000 clusters enabled, but in real world, DataON are seeing adoption across all the verticals, including nonprofits, education, financial, medical, professional services, and many, many other vertical segments and applications. Every single one of this customer has a story and why they made the Microsoft choice. And our goal is continue that journey with them and many others to take them to the next step. A brief overview about DataON. DataON is a technology company. We're a hybrid cloud computing company. We've been around for about 30 years. And since 1987, we've been building technology to help our IT customers modernize their infrastructure. DataON is an exclusive Microsoft partner, which means that our entire solution is built on Microsoft. And we're also an Intel Platinum partner, which is the core foundation of our hardware infrastructure. At the same time, we continue to invest in management and monitoring software like the DataON MUST, which really deliver and bridge the solution as customers continue to want to have a bridge between the on-premise solution and their hybrid cloud with Azure. DataON has customers worldwide. Majority of our customers are based in North America, with a really good concentration of customer also in Western Europe. And we continue to focus on our core values of DataON, including relentless about customer expectation, delivering quality product, focusing on technology, and drive ecosystem adoption. DataON as a hybrid cloud computing company continue to deliver enterprise solution services to make sure our customer have a complete hybrid cloud computing infrastructure. That includes delivering Azure Stack HCI solutions as an on-premise solution for their data center, offering business continuities for on-premise and backup and disaster recovery, on-premise or with the cloud with Azure, include monitor and management capability in couple with Windows Admin Center and our MUST extension. But lastly, providing professional consulting and support services as a cloud service provider, but also partnering with our MVP partners who has a depth knowledge of Microsoft in their solutions. In our years of working with customer and the acceleration of Azure Stack solutions, we see 4 primary workloads that our customers are using Azure Stack HCI solutions. Majority customers are replacing their traditional SAN with VMware with a new Hyper-V and software-defined storage from Microsoft, which is Azure Stack HCI. Majority solutions are 4 nodes or more with 3-way mirror, which delivers the best performance and resiliency. More and more, we see customers moving to an all-flash solution to make sure they have a resiliency level and the best performance. As Microsoft continue to improve their solution and resiliency, we see an accelerated adoption for a 2 to 3 node Azure Stack HCI solution for the edge and branch office. With 2 nodes, you could have a 2-way mirror solution with nested resiliency. With 3 nodes, Microsoft now supports a switchless configuration with 3-node Kepler solutions. Majority of this solution are replacing standalone NAS, servers, and small SANs in branch offices. In addition, Azure Stack HCI also helps to deliver a solution just for storage, which is scale-out storage. With the architecture, you can scale that storage solution up to 4 petabytes per cluster, which is incredible in an environment. Most of these solutions are hybrid with NVMe for cache and HDD as capacity. And a lot of them are being used for on-premise backup, bulk storage, and repositories. Lastly, we are seeing a uptick in customer looking to really leveraging the high availability capability of Azure Stack HCI to deliver a high performance SQL cluster with 2 nodes. With the help of Intel Optane technology for SSD and persistent memory, we're able to deliver incredible performance in a SQL VM, at the same time helping replacing standalone SQL with resiliency for 2 nodes configuration. We have many examples of customers that have deployed and are very satisfied with the solution. Let me go through some use cases for your understanding. Cherokee County is a great example where this is a school district with over 42,000 students. They have replaced their ICLC SAN and migrated the entire workload into 2 Azure Stack HCI clusters. They have 2 sites running production workload, some SQL databases, file server, domain controller, but more importantly, they are delivering a always-on experience with Hyper-V replication across 2 sites. These are hybrid solutions from DataON, HCI 212, with NVMe cache, SSD for the performance tier, and hard drive for the capacity. Alreo Health is another customer, which is a medical business. Alreo delivers about 10% of the healthcare for Tucson, Arizona. And they also made the Microsoft choice on putting their critical production workload on Azure Stack HCI. In the case of Alreo, they replaced their existing UCS servers in Fiber Channel SANs and really deliver an architecture they believe is the most resilient for their production workload. DataON helped them architect a 10-node Azure Stack HCI running Hyper-V and supporting their medical ERP database running on SQL. Instead of doing a 10-node Azure Stack HCI, Alreo decided to leverage the cluster set technology in Windows Server 19, which allows them to have 2 clusters of 5 nodes each and deliver additional resiliencies. They've been very satisfied with the solution, and everything is in production with minimal downtime. As I said earlier, Edge and Branch Office has been seeing a tremendous growth in adoption for enterprise customer leveraging an Azure Stack HCI solution. Trident Seafood is one of the customers that has really taken advantage of the 2-node opportunity, replacing 15 of their remote office sites, running Hyper-V, and delivering high availability with 2 nodes Kepler-108 solution. With that, they're able to have ability to have an all-flat NVMe solution without any spinning disk. By the same time, leveraging Windows Admin Center with DataON MUST to monitor the solution throughout their remote offices. As I said earlier, Microsoft now supports a 3-node switchless configuration with Azure Stack HCI, and DataON has delivered that solution to 7 sites at the Indian Health Services in Montana. In this solution, the customer really wanted to have a simple deployment without switches and really upgrading their server and iSCSI SAN to the newer technology, especially running Microsoft Data Center. This is an all-flash flat configuration with DataON HCI 224, and now they have deployed into multiple sites across the region. High-performance SQL is also another way that customers are leveraging Azure Stack HCI. A great case is Reagan Medical Center, based in Georgia. Reagan Medical Center wanted to replace their VMware SAN along with their current application to support high performance and low latency in their database workloads. They chose the Azure Stack HCI 2-node solution, all flash, but instead of doing a flat 4510, they chose the higher performance, write performance SSD from Intel, the P4610. In that configuration, we saw over 2 million IOPS of performance in a 2-node configuration. Finally, you can see that Azure Stack also delivers great solution for scale storage. Canadian Museum of Human Rights delivered that solution and refreshed the architecture earlier this year. They replaced their entire fiber channel SAN technology. By the same time, built 3 clusters supporting their production workloads, including the backup and bulk storage. They continue to grow, and they're adding additional storage and compute to expand the capabilities. As part of the solutions, DataON continue to add value to our customers. DataON MUST, the management utility software tool, is our flagship product, which allows our customers to have visibility, monitoring, analysis in a hybrid cloud environment. With MUST, you not only have a complete dashboard level matrix of your infrastructure as an extension to the Windows Admin Center, it also delivers hardware level monitoring capability for disk, drives, and configurations. One of the key features with MUST is our ability to deliver system alerts. We have added email alert system into our MUST capability as part of the Health API. So if there's a disk that is going off or having a warning, you will get an email directly from our MAR services to ensure that you could check those disks to make sure it's healthy. As a vendor, our goal is to deliver a complete turnkey experience for our customers. That experience really starts from the planning phase all the way to supporting our customer and their solution infrastructure for the next 3 to 5 years. We believe this is the best way to help our customer to have a great experience running Microsoft Azure Stack HCI solutions. As you know, DataON is not a hardware company or manufacturing of hardware. We believe we need to take advantage of the fact that Microsoft Azure Stack HCI have the ability to take advantage of all the x86 hardware innovations. Ability to transition to a newer processor like the Intel Scalable Xeon processor, second generation. Ability to leverage NVMe and Optane for cache and capacity. More importantly, using RDMA as a technology for the storage fabric to reduce the ability to have to offload all the processing from the CPU to the adapters, but at the same time deliver higher performance or low latencies. Because of that, all DataON server are manufactured by Intel, and also we take those solutions and go through our certification process with Microsoft and also Intel Select Solution to make sure our solutions achieve the highest standard of verification and certification. We have many solutions that's already in the Microsoft Azure Stack catalog today that customer can look at. But at the same time, we want to make sure we deliver a complete solution with all the key capabilities. Our server that I described earlier are really the foundational hybrid cloud building block for DataON Azure Stack HCI solutions. These building blocks could be 1U, 2U servers, all flash or hybrid storage. Depending on the customer usage model, DataON will deliver the solution they need to meet their workload. As companies continue to leverage Microsoft Azure Stack HCI for the intelligent edge, DataON offers our Kepler family of solutions, which are 2 nodes and 3 node Kepler solutions. These deliver an easy to deploy solution into the edge, but at the same time, deliver the performance you need to run your workload in your remote offices. Many customers also are looking for more affordable building blocks to build out their Azure Stack HCI. DataON Kepler-47 mini tower was launched about 2 years ago, and now we're refreshing for our generation 2. In this new generation of Kepler-47, we hope to achieve the next level of performance with the new Xeon E processor, while also supporting higher DDR4 ECC memories. In this Kepler-47, we will deploy majority with all-flash solution for Robo, and really focusing on big, large retail customer that need affordable 2-node solution to run their daily production workloads. Capacity is one of the key driver for data, and our customers are also leveraging our JBOD solution as a building block for the capacity scale storage for Azure Stack HCI. DataON have multiple level JBOD that goes from 2U to 4U, 24 bay to 60 bay to 102 bays. This allows our customer to scale out their solution with our JBOD enclosure and really deliver that type of performance they want and capacity they need for their backup and scale storage capabilities. We are very excited that many customers chose DataON on this journey from their on-premise to the hybrid cloud. You'll see that many customers are still running Windows Server 2006 storage spaces direct, but many are starting to transition from Windows 16 to Windows 19 Azure Stack HCI. We hope all the customers could take advantage of the capability of hybrid cloud. And we see customer today that's running Azure Stack HCI and also leveraging all the hybrid cloud services from Azure to deliver backup, Azure Site Recovery for DR, and other features and services offered by Azure. And we continue to help our customer in that journey to the hybrid cloud. DataON will continue to help our customer to be in that journey, and we'll continue to innovate and to make sure we have the right solution and product for our customers. Now, as a cloud service provider, we could deliver Azure services to our customer. We have over 150 petabytes of solution in deployment. But more importantly, we believe we are the right choice as customers continue to make the Microsoft choice. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to the opportunity of working with all of you, continue our journey to the hybrid cloud with Azure Stack HCI and making the Microsoft choice. Have a good day.